All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to do a pesto. Um, Now, I couldn't find any pine nuts, and I googled asking what a good substitute is, and it said cashews. So we're going to make a pesto with cashews. I got about 3 cups of basil here. I've got some flowers from my plant. I'm going to use a 1/3 cup of cashews. These are toasted and lightly salted. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of pecorino romano cheese. I'm going to use 3 cloves of garlic. I've got 1/2 cup of olive oil. And we're going to use the zest and the juice of half this lemon. Okay, I'm going to put our knife in. Basil in. Put our cheese in. Cashews. Yeah, I know this is you are probably like really cringing over these cashews. 1 garlic, 2 garlic, and 3. Okay. Now I'm going to use a microplane and just put this on a plate and then dump it in the food processor. Okay, here's the zest. And we're going to juice just half of it. I'm going to put the olive oil through the hole here. And it looks really good. Give it a quick taste. You can use a pinch of salt, some pepper, and I'm just going to put a little bit more olive oil in there. Just a couple pulses. And that's done. It's been a long time since I had pesto, so I'll probably make some gnocchi and put this on some gnocchi or maybe on some cavadillo. What I'll do now is I'll put this in a mason jar. put it in the fridge. It'll probably be good for a couple months. And yeah, and that's it. All right. So thanks for checking this out, and we'll see you again soon.